vehicle, so you can go to the listing, you need to walk in.
Oh, okay. Yeah. Do you have the registration forms? I think. Oh, they're okay.
It shouldn't cost you anything.
Yeah, that's what she told me.
Yeah.
Yeah.
It's just paperwork. No, I live here. I bet you
Okay,
this
thank
stuff
you.
here. Yeah. Your first one, that's it.
So do you need to sign that, or just?
Let me give you this one.
Oh, give you that one back. Yeah.
Right, thanks for being patient.
Oh, please, come on. Kidding me? People get upset. Sorry, did I say that out loud when I meant to say it?
My thoughts exactly.
Yeah. Have a good day.
You too, have a great day.
I